Happy Friday, everyone. Well, it's going to be another warm one in southern Wisconsin today, but if you're wanting a taste of fall, you're not going to have to wait long. Our next cold front arrives tomorrow. Before we get to that, though, let's start with today. And the vast majority of the day, just sunny skies. I think in the late afternoon, we'll start to see a few clouds sneak in from the west. But most of the day, sunny, warm, very uniform temperatures across the area, low 80s, and getting breezy this afternoon with gusts around 20 miles per hour. The cloud cover is going to continue to increase tonight, but fortunately for Friday evening plans, looking dry. And notice that the cloud cover will be increasing from west to east. So in Kenosha, the vast majority of the night, still talking about clear to mostly clear skies, but in the western part of the area, more of the night, mostly cloudy to overcast. So averaging partly cloudy skies tonight with low temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s. Now, the earliest we could start to see a few showers pop up in the western part of the area, probably about 5, 6, 7 o'clock early tomorrow morning. But if you're in Portage, Madison, Monroe, and areas to the east, 7 a.m. Saturday morning, still dry. But let's walk through the day on Saturday and track the rain as it tries to push east, because especially in the most eastern part of the area, it looks like it's going to take quite some time for the rain to move in, as this cold front is not surging in. It's going to be a slow mover. So notice 10 a.m. will now begin the chance for the central part of the area, but the better chance is definitely looking like the afternoon hours for the central part of the area. And so right now, looking like the front will be arriving in the Madison area about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just going to stop it here because look at the difference in temperatures across the area. We're talking about a 20-degree difference in temperatures. Look at Lake Geneva at 80 degrees 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon versus Viroqua sitting at 60 degrees. I actually think along this front there's going to be less wind than today even. We'll just call it a light breeze with gusts around 15 miles per hour for tomorrow afternoon. So let's also stop things at 2:30 Saturday afternoon kickoff at Camp Randall. And yeah, looking pretty wet. I would definitely have the ponchos ready to go during the game because it's not just a kickoff. It's throughout the game where there's a good chance of rain. And could there be a lightning delay? Not going to rule it out. Now, I do think it's going to be more showers than storms, but you see that orange showing up here? Thunderstorms are a possibility. So, yeah, there could be a lightning delay. Hopefully not. Hopefully it'll just be rain, but not the best conditions for watching the game. And notice the temperatures continuing to drop 4 o'clock now in the upper 60s in Madison. But also notice that it's just now in the late afternoon, the rain chance beginning in the eastern part of the area. And even at 7 o'clock, look how it could still be dry. We've seen in Kenosha, but not so much in the Madison area where rain will still be coming down. So as far as activity being most widespread across southern Wisconsin, I would say it's during the evening hours Saturday night, though the chance definitely continuing, especially in the eastern part of the area, late Saturday night as well. So just a wet Saturday night. Mostly showers, still the possibility, especially during the evening hours, for some storms. And cooling down to 56, our average low in southern Wisconsin. And notice still a light breeze around. The wind's 10 to 15 miles per hour. And look at our high temperature on Sunday, and not seeing the big difference across the area like we are on Saturday as that front actually works over us because we're going to be on the cool side across all of southern Wisconsin on Sunday. Yeah, our average high temperature, 63 degrees. That's definitely below normal. Normal high for this time of year, 76. And to make it feel a little bit cooler, it's also going to be breezy, particularly in the afternoon. Gusts around 20 miles per hour again. And yeah, the rain chance is still there, particularly in the morning hours. But also, I will say on Sunday, a little bit more in the eastern half of the area than the western half, kind of the opposite of what we were seeing on Saturday.